Hello future engineers, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends, to your younger brothers and sisters who would want to take up engineering in the future, and to your relatives. That's one way you can keep me going, inspired and refreshed. Now, if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe. So we are now in the terminal part of this solutions to equations in one variable. So solve quantity 4x minus 11 over 6 equals quantity x minus 5 over 2 plus 7 halves. So the LCD of the fraction or equation is 6, so multiply everything by 6. By the way, if you want to anticipate the solution, if you want to solve these exercises, then do it by pausing the video and check your answers later. That should be the best step for you to enhance yourselves with regards to algebraic preparations. So for number one, uh, multiply everything by 6. So 6 times quantity 4x minus 11 over 6 equals x minus 5 over 2 plus 7 halves. So 6 over 6 is 1. So 4x minus 11 equals 6 over 2 is 3. So 4x minus 11 equals 3x minus 3 times 5 is 15. So minus 15. Then this is over 2. So 6 over 2 is 3 times 7 is 21. So again, simplified into 4x minus 11 equals 3x minus 15 plus 21. So 4x minus 3x equals, this is negative 15 plus 21, 6, then plus 11. So 4x minus 3x equals 6 plus 11. X therefore equals 17. For problem 2, the LCD is 6. Multiply everything by 6. Then this equation simplifies to 3x minus 4 minus 2x, because 6 over 3 is 2. Then negative 2 times x, negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4 equals 12. So 3x minus 4 minus 2x plus 4 equals 12. X is 12 minus 9. 5 plus 4 is 9 to the right, transpose to the right, so minus 9. So x equals 12 minus 5 minus 4, or x equals 12 minus 9, so x is 3. The LCD next is 12. Multiply everything by 12. So this becomes 12 over 4 is 3. So 9h minus 12, 12 over 6 is 2, plus 10h, 2 times 5h is 10h, 2 times negative 4 is negative 8, then 12 over 4 is 3, times 11, 33, 12 over 3 is 4, so plus 4h minus 8. So again, 9h minus 12 plus 10h minus 8 equals 33 plus 4h minus 8. So 12 over 4 is 3. So times quantity 3h minus 4. That's why you have 9h minus 12. 12 over 6 is 2. 2 times quantity 5h minus 4. That's why you have 10h minus 8. 12 over 4 is 3 times 11, 33. 12 over 3 is 4. Quantity times 4h minus 2. So 4h times quantity h minus 2, so 4h minus 8. So this is 19h minus 4h. This is negative 20, so 33 minus 8 is 25. 25 plus 20. So again, 19h minus 4h minus 20 equals 33 minus 8, 25. This is 5h, 15h rather, equals 25 plus 20 is 45. So h is 45 over 15, so h is 3. Next LCD is 15. Multiply everything by 15. So this becomes 5 times 5 minus y is 25 minus 5y. 25 minus 5y plus 3 minus 11y equals 45 plus 3 minus 6y, because 15 over 5 is 3. 3 times quantity 1 minus 2y is 3 minus 6y. So this is 28 minus 16y equals 48 minus 6y. Negative 6y plus 6y equals 48 minus 28. So this is negative 10y equals 20. Divide everything by negative 10. 20 over negative 10 is negative 2. So y is negative 2. For the next batch of problems, we have to solve for x, y, or z. All variables here are x, so solve for x. So first, transpose negative 5 to the right, so 2x equals a plus 5. Divide everything by 2, so x is a plus 5, quantity a plus 5 over 2. This is ax equals 5a plus 3b. Divide everything by a, so x is quantity 5a plus 3b over a. This is factor out x. X times h minus c equals 4. By the way, if we put the restriction here, a should not be equal to 0 because division by 0 is undefined. So develop that habit of putting the restriction so that you will be accustomed to do that, especially in algebra, because there are situations where you need to really set up or put the restriction so that the solution is defined for that particular equation. There are equations where for certain value of the denominator that is 0, it should not be tolerated. So in this case, divide everything by h minus c. X is 4 over h minus c. So again, if we put the restriction, h should not be equal to c, because when that happens, the denominator will be 0. And when the denominator is 0, then the value of x would be undefined. So as I said, develop that habit of putting the restriction. Transpose dx to the left, so this is bx minus dx equals negative 3c to the right, so positive 3c. Factor out x. X times quantity b minus d equals 3c. Divide everything by b minus d, so x is 3c over b minus d. We put again the restriction that b should not be equal to d, because when that happens, the denominator is 0, and therefore x would be undefined. Here, transpose negative 3x to the left, so ax plus 3x equals 2. Factor out x, so x times quantity a plus 3 equals 2. Then x, divide everything by a plus 3, so x is 2 over a plus 3. The restriction again is that a should not be equal to negative 3, because when that happens, the denominator is 0 and x would be undefined. Here, transpose bx to the left, d to the right. So we have cx minus bx equals negative d. Factor out x, or negative x. Then we have negative x times b minus c equals negative d. So negative d over negative is positive. Divide everything by b minus c. So x is d over b minus c. And if we put the restriction, b should not be equal to c, because when that happens, x is undefined. The denominator would be 0. So that's it for this video. I hope that you uh, increase your learning in solving equations in one variable. And this is just an exercise for you to be expert in simplifying and solving for the solution of an equation in one variable, so that when you proceed to the higher level, which is translation of English from English to algebra, the worded problems, in other words, you have to set up the equation, then solve for that equation. And that's the challenging part in algebra.